Hi guys, how you all doing? What we're going to do today, we're going to make a very simple, quick base for a sauce to make a curry. We're going to make a Chasni sauce, okay? We mix all the ingredients together and stick it in the fridge. It lasts for 3 weeks or more, so it won't last that long because we're going to use it. So it's very simple to make. We made mango chutney the other day. And mango chutney is in this mix, okay? It's very simple, very straightforward. And what we need to do to make our Chasni. Now our Chasni is a curry from Scotland, okay? It's a very, very popular curry in Scotland. More popular than Tikka Masala. And it was introduced to me by a good friend of mine. So we'll make this up and then we'll make a curry. So it's two chef spoons of tomato ketchup. That's a bit messy, isn't it? So let's just tip it on the spoon. Okay, 2 chef spoons of tomato ketchup. Dry that off. Right, so we got 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. We want 2 tablespoons. We have 2 chef spoons of tomato ketchup, and now we want a chef spoon of our mango chutney. In fact, we'll put that in just a little bit more. Give it a mix in. Right, now, the Chasni has got a sweet sour taste, so we need to give this a taste already. Wow, that is sour enough from the tomato ketchup. Now normally you would squirt some lemon in, but I'm using a cheap brand of tomato ketchup and it's very sour, very salty. So what I will do, I think we need to add some more mango chutney to this. Now let's just clean that off. I'll probably go for another 2, I think. So 1, 2, no more than that. Okay, so give that a mix in. Give that a taste test. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, we got the sour in there. We got the sweet in there from the mango chutney. That is really nice actually. So we don't need the lemon. But what we do need is food colour. We need to make this red. Now I've got a selection of reds on here. Okay, making a real mess. I've got a selection of reds on here. I have an orange red and a dark red. Now I like the dark red, so I'm going to go with the dark red. Now with food colour guys, food colour goes a long way. So we only want a little bit. I mean, some people say put a teaspoon in. Let's just see what that does. So mix that in there. We've already got that luminous, I can see it from Mars, redness. Okay, now of course you could use beetroot powder or anything to make your Chasni sauce red. So there we go guys, that's our Chasni sauce. Glowing red. All we need to do now is store it in the fridge, and that's our Chasni sauce made. And what we do when we cook a Chasni, we add that to our Chasni, and then we don't have to make it on the day. So that's Chasni sauce from the north of the border, from Scotland, made. So if you like what we're doing guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, share. Catch you next time.